Let's check out tender. Tenders are good size. We fried the shit out of it, and it's hot. Yeah. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna give it to him on the hot. Speaking of hot, let's put it in that hot. Okay. Back in the ranch. The ranch is decent, honey. It's all right. Let's go. Oh, wrong hole. Oh, wrong hole. I know y'all are laughing at me, but I know y'all have done that shit before too. Oh, that was straight wrong hole. I'm crying. Oh man. I guess that's for talking shit about the bone ends. Let's hit it again. All right. So at this point, I just need to ask Honey, what do you think about the 3.5 rating?
I think it should be lower.
What are you giving it?
I mean, 2.5.
Yeah, I'm thinking probably a 2.5.